no one declared, "The revolution has begun." There was no cannon, no trumpet. Just one day, something small started to move. 1750, Lancashire. I'm Tom, a farm boy. Cows fill my window as history's gears begin to turn. Before dawn, Father drives the ox-drawn plough. I chase loose stalks in his wake. After work, we gather by the stream, turning leaves and driftwood into endless games. Mother's loom clacks all day, its rhythm the heartbeat of our home. We dine on boiled potatoes and greens around a battered wooden table that feels like a banquet. Sparks fly from the forge. The smith warns, "Make what people need or go hungry." Market day erupts with barter. No coins, just trades and chatter. Our mud-walled cottage leaks in rain, yet sunlight dancing through the roof cracks is pure magic. In a thatched hut, the miller teaches us letters and the courage to ask why. I lie on the hilltop grass and wonder what waits beyond the horizon. Some own land, most toil. The poor look up and pray for luck. After harvest, Father hauls half our grain to the landlord without a word. Winter brands our bones. We burn anything that will catch flame and sleep huddled tight. Sweat alone, I learn, will never lift us from poverty. Tinkerers craft simple machines, hoping to outmuscle human hands. A spinning machine that works like 8 people changes everything. Craftsmen, fearing ruin, whisper rebellion against iron intruders. Talk of factory wages lures villagers down the road to the cities. I grow with the gentle windmill, yet sense that calm world ending. At 9, I see a homemade spinner and ask, why does this vast upheaval start here in England? Coal and iron lie beneath us, black treasures ready to feed furnaces. Miners carve the earth by lamplight, hands black, hearts hopeful. Ships crowd the docks, hauling cotton, coal and steel to every horizon. Canals slice the land, turning water into trade's new highway. Banks lend rich men's gold, fueling dreams of bigger machines. Patents promise protection, daring inventors to imagine bolder. The spinning jenny replaces dozens of hands, spinning at lightning speed. James Watt breathes power into steam, the new heart of an era. Factories tower, people leave fields for the clang of iron giants. Manchester's chimneys rise, weaving smoke into the sky. Railways appear. The rocket promises speed beyond belief. Invention snowballs, replacing muscle with motion everywhere. Farmers like father pack up and follow the factory siren. The city greets them with cramped rooms and harsh nights. Chimneys darken the sky. Air tastes of dust and coal. Machines roar non-stop, but steady weekly wages feel revolutionary. Even 9-year-olds labor beside whirring gears, eyes heavy. Jobless hands smash machines, desperate to halt time's march. My family joins the rush. I miss the fields, but can't turn back. Watching the frenzy, I still ask, why England? This small island on Europe's edge. Textiles boom, weaving the fabric of a new economy. Cotton ships arrive from distant colonies, white gold by the bale. Blast furnaces spit fire, forging steel for the nation's spine. Coal mines dive deeper, feeding the insatiable engines above. Rails web the land, carrying people, ideas, and change. Manchester, Liverpool, Birmingham swell with industrial pulse. The factory never sleeps. Machine thunder scores every shift. A new class, factory workers, march to the whistle's rhythm. Mechanical plows crawl over fields, easing human strain. I stand by empty farmland, machines humming, and wonder, is this the future we choose? We didn't know, but the future had already begun to walk toward us.